Welcome to this video on the CorpoBack Profiles. Each CorpoBack profile defines the backup strategy for one or more computers. To access the profiles, from the CorpoBack Manager, at the bottom of the window, click the Profile button. The profile window opens. At the top left corner, you have the drop-down list that allows you to choose which profile you want to work with. Here you can set the profile name. This drop-down list allows you to choose if the computers are local, remote, or mobile. To create a new profile, click the New Profile button. To delete a profile, select the one you want to delete and click the Delete Profile button. In the middle section, you have two tabs, Selective Backup and Total Backup. Note that if you have a profile with the type Mobile, you will have three tabs, Selective Backup when remote, Selective Backup when local, and Total Backup. The Selective when remote and Selective when local are identical, but will let you redefine duration, maximum file size, and other elements. On the Selective Backup tab, you have the option to enable or disable the backup. You can set the location where the backup data will be stored. You can set the backup schedule for 1 or more days. Here you have the maximum duration of the backup and the maximum size of a file to backup. This section contains the list of computers that are part of this profile. You can add computers or delete the computer selected, or move the selected computer to a different profile. In the bottom section, you can select folders to be included or excluded from the backup by default. The blue folders are system folders. They are desktop, favorites, my documents, my music, my pictures, my videos, and start menu. In this list, as you can see here, you can also add your own folders common to all computers of this profile. In the right section, you can configure the folders or files by computer. First, select the computer you want to configure from the list, and then choose a folder or file you want to include or exclude. To do this, click the Advanced Selection button. This opens a file browser for the selected computer. This file browser contains all the structure, files, and folder of the computer. Indeed, each computer sends to the CorpoBack server its structure of folders and files, the result of a catalog. This is done every time the computer connects to the server for backup. So you know exactly the content of each computer and you have full control over the backup content. With this browser, you can specify what to backup for this computer. So with this file browser, select the folders or files you want to include or exclude from the backup and click OK. For the Total Backup tab, you have the same options with a few differences. You can set the time range that indicates when the total backup starts and ends. You can also choose how many computers can perform a total backup simultaneously. The Priority Profile option lets you specify that the total backup for the computers in this profile should be performed first. For example, this is an option you want to enable for your servers. The list below allows you to select disk to be included in the backup. So with the flexibility of the profiles, you can set your backup strategy accurately according to the needs of each computer.